Isso.
Bora. Isso. Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party, I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and then you whip. When I go back to the horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street, know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth, hope you hoes don't ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills, I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me, they baby father wanna kill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand up my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go, this shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold, tell that little bitch play her role. I just don't roll for no rolls, I just came up in a rave. I need to fill up the tank, no I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of their niggas is fake. I go to dinner and steaks, only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the day. Only got charms, the life of the place. Hard to let these bitches know, just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more, another check from all the stuff. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves.
West Coast, say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel?
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look. The last thing that I made sure that I did was kind of like tease the hair a little bit, just so that the curls are a little bit more voluminous and just make the hair a little bit bigger. I really like this hair. I love the color job that they did. I did put some concealer in my part to just define it a little bit more. And then I love how flat this unit lays as well. I don't know if you guys can tell, but baby lays super flat. So I love that about this unit. It's not all lumpy or anything like that. Here is an up close look at this color, you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely gonna look a lot more red. Of course, the closer I get, the redder it's gonna look versus when I'm back here. Yeah, you guys, absolutely love this hair. I think it's so beautiful, you guys. Just like, look how beautiful these curls came out. It's so freaking pretty. I've been loving this color, as you guys can notice here. I absolutely love the way this color looks on my skin tone. This is one of those units that's universal. It'll really look good on everyone, whether you are a fair tone or you are a deep skin tone. This looks good on everyone. So that's one thing that I love about units like this. Now, you guys know I did do a review on a unit similar to this not too long ago, and I crimped the unit. I did that with another company. This unit originally came just like that one, and I was like, oh my god, I have two of these. I hated that one. But one thing that I love about Nadula is that they actually care about the quality of their hair. Do you know, you guys, if they just told me, you know what, keep that one, we're gonna send you another one, and mind you, I didn't say anything to them. They just let me know, hey, we redid the 99J unit, we're gonna send you another one, like we fixed the color or whatever. And I was just like, what? I thought that was so bomb. Like, I never heard of a company ever doing that. Like, the fact that they reached out to me and sent me a better quality wig just because they wanted me to have a better quality wig, and then on top of that, they made sure that I kept the old one. They didn't try to get the old one back or anything like that, just in case I did actually like that one. They went ahead and just sent me this one, and I absolutely love this color. This is more of like a true burgundy, just a nice wine color. And also, if you guys are looking for a really good hairspray, this is the hairspray that I use. You guys did see this in a vlog that I did not too long ago. I was at TJ Maxx and they had this huge thing of Chi hairspray. I couldn't leave the store and not buy this. Like, I was like, oh my god, it's huge, I have to get it. It cost me $10.99, and this typically retails for about $18. So I was really excited to get this. It's really huge. I don't know if I can have something to compare to. This is my remote, and this is the Chi spray, if that helps. And then for the foaming mousse, I use the In the Clouds foaming mousse. I will link this down below. I really like this foaming mousse. It smells great and it has a great hold to it. I love the fact that I can use this and I don't have to use gel. Typically, anytime that I do my baby hairs, I use foaming mousse and I use gel. But I've been using this product by itself, no gel, and it lays my baby hairs down perfectly. They hold, they don't move around, and I love that. Like, as you guys can see, this is what my hair is looking like all up under there on this side. Like, it looks as if I use gel, how good it's like staying into place. So I love this product. If you guys are interested in this, I will link this down below. Definitely a current favorite of mine. So yeah, you guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Nadula Hair, for sending over this beautiful unit, and also all of the free goodies that I got in today's order. I was so excited about all the free things I got, from the silk scarf to the brush. They gave me 2 wig caps. They gave me so much stuff, I can't even remember everything they gave me. But I was so excited about all the free items that I received in this unit, so thank you so much for that. And I want to thank all of you guys for stopping by on my channel today, showing me love and watching today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye!